Tired of manually transferring data from your website forms to your Zoho CRM? Let's bridge the gap between your Elementor forms and Zoho CRM, unlocking automated lead capture in this quick tutorial. First, make sure you have both Elementor Pro and a Zoho CRM account set up. We will need Elementor Pro for its built-in webhook functionality. Begin by installing the necessary plugins, like Zoho CRM plugin from Zoho itself from your WordPress plugin repository and activate it. This will help set up initial connection settings. Next, navigate to the Zoho CRM plugin settings and obtain the necessary API credentials from your Zoho CRM developer console. Remember to create a connected app for this integration and copy the client ID and client secret. Now, in Elementor, edit the form you wish to connect to Zoho CRM. Head to the Actions after Submit section. Add a Webhook Action. This tells Elementor to send data somewhere after the form is submitted. Then paste the Webhook URL provided in the Zoho CRM plugin documentation into the Webhook URL field. Map your Elementor form fields to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM using the plugin's field mapping options. Double-check to ensure your form field names match your Zoho CRM field names. Finally, test your integration by submitting a test entry through your Elementor form and verify that the data is accurately transferred to Zoho CRM. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Elementor to Zoho CRM, automating your lead generation and CRM updates.